You don't wake up one day and feel weak. You just stop recognizing the man in the mirror. Your eyes dim, your voice softens, your decisions disappear, and the world, it stops listening. Not because you're old, but because you let go of the one thing that made you undeniable, your masculine energy. Asterisk, this isn't just about testosterone. It's not about age. It's about the slow, silent war being waged on your identity as a man. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how it's being stolen and how to take it back before it's too late. Asterisk, you don't lose your masculinity in a moment. You leak it when you stop setting goals, when you let comfort replace discipline, when you trade boldness for silence just to keep the peace, and worst of all, you start telling yourself, this is just what happens with age. Double quotes, no. This is what happens when you stop fighting. Asterisk, they'll say you've earned your rest, that your time has passed, that you're supposed to slow down and stay quiet. But hear me now, society wants older men weak, because strong older men carry wisdom, power, and authority. And that terrifies a culture built on soft lies. Asterisk, masculine energy isn't about age. Asterisk, you could be 30 with no purpose and feel dead inside. You could be 70 with a fire in your chest that shakes rooms. Masculine energy isn't how old you are. It's how aligned you are with your mission. It's how much of your life you still own. It's your voice, your discipline, your direction. You don't need youth. You need conviction. Asterisk, the warning signs you're losing it. Asterisk, here's how you know it's slipping. You apologize for taking up space. You haven't done anything uncomfortable in weeks. You feel invisible and don't even care. You say it's not worth it more than let's do it. That's not aging. That's slow spiritual decay. Asterisk, how to reignite the fire. Asterisk, masculinity isn't a phase. It's a practice, and every man at every age can reignite it. Here's how. Train like your life depends on it, because it does. Speak truth, even when your voice shakes. Create, build, mentor, lead. Be dangerous with discipline, not with chaos. Refuse to fade quietly. That's not who you are. The lion doesn't stop being the king because he's older. He still walks with power, because power isn't loud. It's undeniable. Asterisk, you don't need to be 25 again. You need to remember who the hell you were before the world told you to sit down. Your story isn't over, and your masculine energy isn't gone. It's just waiting for the moment you decide to take it back. So stand up, speak up, lead again, because the world doesn't need less of you. It needs you fully awake, fully masculine. Asterisk, if this message shook something deep inside you, don't ignore it. Subscribe. Because we're not here to grow old. We're here to grow stronger.